You gotta master the flow of money. This is something that's helped me so much. This is something that they definitely don't teach in school. And until you really master and understand the flow of money, you're always gonna be swimming against the current, against the wave when you don't need to. And that's exactly why I just want to share you guys all the secrets that has allowed me to just attract money with ease. Let's jump into today's video. First rule, you don't want to be scared of money.
Free cash, $5 for you. No cash.
The rich make money. The more real you think money is, the harder you'll work for it. If you can grasp the idea that money is not real, you'll grow richer faster. So, what is money? Is what we agree it is, because literally money, we're no longer on the gold standard, meaning the money that we hold doesn't tie to anything. Back in the old days, you would have a paper that represented the amount of gold that you owned, and the bank will hold that gold for you. Whereas the currency we have now, it's literally worthless. It's literally a piece of paper, and we agree that $10 is worth a medium Big Mac meal. And that's what we agree it is. Like, why can't the Big Mac burger be worth $100? And as you can see, that's why countries all over the world, $10 US might be 10 million Zimbabwe dollars or something. So money is what we agree it's worth. Are you terrified about losing money? If you hate risk and worry, start early. The younger you are, the more chances and opportunity you have to fail. Over 50 years, if you go ahead and just try many different things, you'll still earn money in the end. The greatest reason for lack of financial success is because most people play it too safe. People are so afraid of losing that they lose. It's crazy. Next, this rule helped me a lot. Always pay yourself first. I pay myself first even if I'm short of money. Why? Motivation. Who do you think will complain louder if you don't pay them? Me or my creditors? Your creditors would definitely scream much louder than you. If you didn't pay yourself anything, you wouldn't say anything. There's no motivation or incentive for you to pay yourself. But on the other hand, if you pay yourself first and now you're at a loss, you'll figure out ways as all the phone bills, electric bills, software updates are screaming at you, telling you to go ahead and pay your bills. And you'll just find ways to make money. And in doing so, the pressure to pay becomes your motivation. You'll pick up extra jobs, start other companies, trade stocks, anything to stop these guys yelling at you. That pressure will make you work harder, force you to think, and all in all, make you smarter and more active when it comes to money. Forcing yourself to think about how to make extra money is like going to the gym and working out with weights. The more I work out my make money muscle, the stronger I get. So if I had paid myself last, I would have felt no pressure and I would have been broke. A lot of people, they exercise at the end of the day. That usually doesn't work. There's a reason why everyone wants to get it out of the way at the beginning of the day. Because if you leave it to the end of the day, you'd always have things to do, and then you'd only work out when you have spare time. And then in that spare time, you'll probably do a minimal workout. And that's exactly why I pay myself first. I get financially stronger, mentally and physically. Lastly, reciprocity. Give what you want. You want money, give money, and it will come back in multiples. Want sales, help someone else get more sales, and you will get more sales. For some reason, based on how the money works, whenever I've been at my lowest point and I have a family dinner or something, I would still go out of my way to pay the bill, go to near zero, and somehow the next week, money will just flow in. When you're not too stressed or worried about money, worried about being poor, you're more calm, you're more relaxed. And when you're more calm and relaxed and you aren't feeling the pressure, when you go ahead and close deals, or when you go ahead and talk to people who are interested in your business, you don't have that desperate need of closing them. And when you don't have that desperate need and hunger, they see that you're a cool, confident person, and they're just willing to give you money, seeing how calm and collected you are. And that's sort of why you should really understand the flow and not really stress, and really just let money come in and out, and things would work itself out. Obviously be calculated, but know that if money goes out, it's always going to come back in. And when money goes out, there's a lot more than what you paid for that you're getting, because you're getting the experience, the knowledge, a lot other benefits that you don't know until later down the line. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys liked it, please hit the like button below, hit the subscribe button. If you go ahead and do that, as well as drop a comment, follow me on Instagram, hit the notification bell. I'll be picking a comment every single day to give $1,000 worth of courses or consulting course, 2 completely for free, and the winner from last videos was here. So if you guys want to qualify, all to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button. I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with more value. Peace.